Thank you, Harvey. How about you, Criza?
Ay, nakakahiya. So,
Actually,
sabi ko nga, wag na po talaga pala tayo mag-interview, nasabi na lahat ko. Hindi, pero sobrang honored kasi syempre, grabe yung pagpapakilala niyo dun sa video. So, salamat po. Etong pare ko from Team Yale.
Ang cute mo nun, Luke.
Ako naman po, nahiya din syempre. Kasi, ang bata ko po dyan. And nakakatuwa kasi yan, nakita yung sa The Voice ko. Hindi ko na napapanood ngayon. So, yan, nakakatuwa.
Kailan mo huling napanood yung sarili mo sa The Voice?
Parang nung bata pa rin po.
Sobrang tagal na talaga. Surprise! Crystal?
Buti na lang wala akong mga pinipisters. Kasi kami dalawa ni Rap, bago pa din kami. So, yung mga bagong recent looks lang nakita sa atin. So, very cute na.
Pero for sure, ang cute-cute nyo nung bata kayo.
Agree naman siya. Agree naman siya.
Napaka-honest ni Crystal. How about you, Ralph?
Ayun, it was fun like seeing my old modeling pictures na I haven't seen for a while. Tsaka yung mga clips from Zoomers 1 na parang ang tagal din bago namin. I mean, it's been a while since we saw it talaga, so it's nice to see.
Medyo nostalgic, no? Yung napanood natin. And kanina, nung pinapanood yun, akala nila tapos na nung in-introduce yung cast. And then sabi ko, directed. Meron pa yan. Kasi meron din siyang part dun sa ABC. Direct, how did you feel?
Nahiyagin ako nung bata pa ako. Okay lang, ano lang, actually nakakahiya kasi hindi ko alam na magiging TV show yung casting program. Akala ko it's just part of the BTS, para sa sa show. Tapos nung sinabing i-air kayo sa TV5, oh my God, di ako nagpang-make up ko. Di ba nakapakpak lang akong papasok sa school. So yun yung nakakahiya.
Rono. Ito yung reality show bigla. Yes. But also we'd like to acknowledge pala Direct Chad Vidanes. Yes. Who was also part of...
Of course. Zoomers. Si Direct Chad naman talaga yung start ng show. Direct Chad Vidanes. Tapos we also have our... gusto ko i-acknowledge din, of course, our business unit head, Ms. Rola de la Serna, si Ms. Katsi Catalan, our producer, makakalimutan ko na lahat, Katuban, yung creatives ng buong season 1 and season 3.
At kanina, syempre, nakita nga natin si Lauren, Lauren Joki, of course, needless to say, he was a big part of the universe as well. Now, pag-usapan naman natin ang inyong award! Congratulations! Super cast! Okay, can you tell us a little bit about this award, what it took for you to get this award, tsaka ano yung feeling ng finally na-recognize kayo internationally?
Well, actually, thank you ABS-CBN YouTube. They're the ones who really parang nagkaroon ng belief na, sige, isugal natin, isubmit natin yung Zoomers sa Content Asia Awards. So, sobrang nakaka-proud kasi who would have thought we're just a supposedly small online show and then mga baguhan and then biglang Best Asian Short Form Series. Wow, so yun, I feel pride for the creative team, for the production team, for our directors, and then of course, especially to our cast members. I'm hoping na yung award na yan, it will inspire them na there are no small projects, there are no big projects. Just put your heart into it. Mapapansin ka kung talagang magaling ka. Pero hindi na go. Sabihin nyo, anong inspiration na kuha niyo siya?
Actually, very inspirational na magsalita si Directed. Parang gusto mo nang gumawa agad ng season 3.
Oh! Sa YouTube.
Okay, guys, nasan kayo when you found out that Zoomers won an award?
Actually, Chris and I were shooting our next project, Deadline, together. We were mga 5 p.m., 6 p.m. na tayo. Tapos kakatapos na namin ng exam. Tapos nakita ko lang sa feed ko bigla, nag-post yung Star Magic ata na nanalo yung Zoomers. Tapos nagulat ako and our producer was there because she's also, the producer of Zoomers is also producing Deadline. And she was there too, si Ate Katsi. She was there. Congratulations kami sa isa't isa at one another. And nakakabigla lang kasi after that, we just sort of went back to the shooting ng movie. Pero it's para sa akin, yun nga, parang sabi ni Directed na there are no small projects. Parang yun nga, yung sabi, Zoomers is a very small family. So nakakahanga para sa akin na we were able to win such a big award like that.
Yes, international to. Grabe, nakaka-proud talaga. How about you, Chris? What are your thoughts on the award?
Super overwhelming kasi knowing kami dalawa ni Harvey at yung first bida role namin and then may award agad. Sobrang sarap sa feeling and parang in a way nakaka-pressure din po siya kasi syempre, di ba, grabe yung recognition. So, dapat sa mga susunod, mas galingan pa namin. Pero ayun, super grateful and super thankful. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga naniwala sa amin behind the camera. Yan sila, Direk Lauren, Direk Ted, Direk Chad. Yun po talaga yung mga unang tao na naniwala sa amin and nagtiwala sa amin. So, ayun, super thankful po talaga.